beeps you heard were from my carbon monoxide monitor, telling me that carbon monoxide concentration inside the cockpit has exceeded the set limit of 35 parts per million. This has happened especially during the climb out, where the concentration almost reached close to 50 parts per million. I kept a close eye on it and ready to turn around in case the concentration remained high. However, when we leveled off, the concentration went to less than 10 parts per million, which is acceptable. After the incident, we had the mechanic look at the airplane, who found the cracked exhaust being a culprit for the high CO concentrations. This is not new to us. This has happened before. A couple of years ago, we had the exhaust replaced due to the exact same reason. Having a portable CO monitor in the cockpit definitely helped us catch the issue early enough. A couple of years ago, I made a review video of multiple CO monitors and how they work. I'll leave a link to that video and also the CO monitor that I've tested in the description below. Thank you for watching. Be safe out there. Take care.